Simple answer is yes. One of the key reasons for making this strategic investment in our new PCBA line was to significantly improve agility of our business in responding much faster to our customer needs with competitive, environmentally sustainable solutions built on the latest technology.
Oh, huge for us. I guess through flexibility and customisation, we're able to reduce our stock holding overall. So stocking parts now at the component level makes us far more reactive to customer needs and demand spikes. By at the same time reducing our inventory in WIP and finished goods, it helps smooth out the production factory floor and enables a much smoother workflow through for our resources.